Alright guys, today we got a keyboard comparison.
I'll get it.
Just right on top there? Yep. Alright. There you go. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today, I hope you guys are having an amazing day. So guys, today I'm going to be comparing two completely different keyboards. One is a 60% keyboard and the other is what they call a 110% keyboard, which is like a regular keyboard, but there's more because there's macros on the side. So the first keyboard, the 60% keyboard, is the Pro 2. And the second keyboard I'm going to be comparing is the Corsair K95 Platinum. These are completely different keyboards, as you can see by the box size. So yeah, we're just going to be looking at the similarities and probably many differences of these two completely different keyboards. So anyway, I hope you guys enjoy, and I'll see you in the outro. Alright guys, so for the unboxing, it's actually pretty simple. There's just one tab. It's a lot easier to open than the Corsair box because it's Pro 2 and it's not a Corsair K95 Platinum. So yeah, I figured out you could just kind of flip the keyboard over and it comes out. I couldn't get it out for a while, and then Nick just told me I could flip it over. So I did. In the box, you also get a keycap holder that actually works pretty well. You get a red USB Type-C cable to USB Type-A cable because it connects via USB Type-C. You get some colored keycaps for like the escape key and enter key and shift key. And you get an extremely hard to pick up warranty card and the manual, which is in like 15 million different languages about. And that's going to be it for the Pro 2. Now moving on to the Corsair. So for the Corsair K95 Platinum, the box is obviously a lot bigger than the Pro 2 because it's a bigger keyboard, maybe. There's also a box inside of the other box, and that is not the Corsair K95 Platinum because the Corsair K95 Platinum is cable managed in my setup, so I was not about to uncable manage it and put it in the box. That's also the Pro 2 cord because my Corsair K95 Platinum is cable managed, obviously. It was just like that, and the cord was in that black thing. In this yellow cardboard folded thing, this is where you're going to get the manual, the keycaps, and the keycap puller, which is like different than the Pro 2, but it works the same. Also in here, right in that little hole, you get the wrist rest. That's something the Pro 2 doesn't have. And that is pretty much it for the Corsair K95 Platinum unboxing. Obviously, the Pro 2 is a lot smaller than the K95 Platinum, as you probably saw, and it has much less keys. However, this isn't a problem because most of the keys double as media keys. To activate them, simply hit the magic function button and all the secondary functions will activate. Then click the function you want. With the K95 Platinum, however, you won't face this problem since your keyboard is bigger and actually has room to fit the media keys. As you can see, all the F keys lie along the top, and above those are even more. The first one is to switch the lighting profiles, the second is to adjust the backlight brightness, and the third is to lock the Windows key. In the right-hand corner, there's even more. There's a stop, previous, play, pause, forward, mute, and a volume scroll wheel, which you can actually change to pretty much anything you want. If we flip both keyboards over, you can see they both have rubber feet to prevent the keyboards from sliding around, which is a good thing because you don't want it to be sliding around while you're typing. That's not good. You'll also see that the Pro 2 doesn't have raised rubber feet, but that's okay because it's already assembled at an angle, so there's really no need. Now, let's talk about the quality. The Corsair K95 Platinum is assembled with a brushed aluminum that loves dust. You should probably clean it often. The Pro 2, however, is a nice solid plastic and it has about no flex. Neither does the K95 Platinum because it's like metal. For connectivity, the Pro 2 uses a USB Type-C and the K95 Platinum just has a huge braided cable. The reason it's so big is because there's also a USB pass-through in the back, which is really nice, and that's where I have my headset plugged into because my headset needs RGB, so it needs USB. In terms of key switches, the Pro 2 I have is Gateron red switches, which are pretty much cherry red switches. They feel about identical. My K95 Platinum has cherry speed switches, which also feel about identical to reds. Actually, they do feel exactly identical to reds, but they actuate or register quicker and have a less travel distance. So I'm sure now you're wondering, what do they sound like? So here's a sample of both. One thing that's actually better about the AN Pro 2 is Bluetooth. This is probably because it's much smaller than the K95 Platinum, and the K95 Platinum would probably be pretty awkward to hold in your lap. The K95 Platinum also comes with a wrist rest, while the AN Pro 2 does not. The K95 Platinum comes with these nice textured replaceable keycaps made with gaming in mind, because they're for like the WASD. The AN Pro 2 also comes with random colored keycaps that also look very nice. They are not textured, they're just smooth. Now let's talk about the RGB. Obviously, there's a lot more on the K95 Platinum, including a strip around the back. There's also many more lighting effects on the Corsair software than the Oben's Lab software. Unfortunately, I don't really feel like downloading the Oben's Lab software because there's really no reason when the lighting effects already come pre-installed. To change them, hold the FN2 button along with the number 9. Now, I'll give you a quick demonstration of the Corsair software.
Okay, so once you open the Corsair IQ software, you can see this is the home. I'm going to click on the K95 Platinum. This is where it tells you your Corsair devices, so you could have like every Corsair device and it would all be up here in your devices section. So I only have the Corsair Glaive and the K95 Platinum. So I'm going to click on the K95 Platinum because that's actually what I'm reviewing today if you didn't know. So over here we have our profiles. As you can see, I've already set a ton of different profiles. Like we have this one, which is like, I don't know, just like a wave, I guess. We have just white, we have like red and white rain. You can make it a ton of different colors, and then here right in the middle it shows you what's happening on the keyboard. So that's what's happening on my keyboard. We have this cool one where it ripples out. If I hit a key, that's what happens. Hit the H key, it's going to ripple out from the H key. This one, where every key you click, it lights up that key, and then you can change how long the key lights up for or how short the key lights up for. Also, you can come, if you want to make a new lighting effect, you basically click on lighting effects, click the drop down menu, and then there's predefined custom and lighting link. Lighting link is going to link it with my mouse, which is cool. I have the spiral rainbow, the rainbow wave. It looks really good. There's also like the custom and then the predefined, which are also really nice. It's pretty much the same as lighting link, just it doesn't link with your mouse. Also, we have the mouse, so we can like adjust the lighting effects on this, or we can adjust the DPI in increments by 1. So I have like a 9012 DPI because that felt better than 9013 DPI to me. So no, I'm just kidding. Can't feel a difference. But yeah, that's pretty much all it is for IQ. Really simple to use, everything like that. On the mouse, it even shows you what's happening on the mouse, and it shows you different angles on the mouse too, because you see there's the lighting like right here by the wire. So yeah, IQ is just like a really nice software, and a lot better than Oben's Lab. So yeah.
And that's actually pretty much all I have to say about the keyboard. So let's cue the outro. Alright guys, so as you can tell, the Corsair K95 Platinum and the AN Pro 2 are pretty much completely different keyboards, and there's about 0 similarities between them, except the color maybe. So anyway guys, I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, be sure to go down, subscribe, and drop a like, and that'll show me that you do want me to make more videos like this. And I will be making another keyboard comparison video quite soon because I don't have many videos to make. Okay guys, I also want you to turn the push notifications on, and that is going to mean that you'll be able to comment first, which brings us to our shout out. We have a problem though. I don't know who that was because I'm working on 2 videos right now and I haven't uploaded the last video. So there's really no way of me knowing who's going to comment first on the last video. So
yeah, so fun fact, I'm actually editing right now, and it was Emmy again, so congratulations for commenting 2 times in a row first. Very impressive.
Alright guys, so that is going to wrap it up for the video. I hope you guys enjoyed. I'll see you in the next video, and as always, peace